Today we are going to see if-else statement and also nesting of if-else statement. So let's start. Basically, if-else statement are very beneficial statement in C language or C programming language, and also they are very easy to write as a code. If-else statement can satisfy both the condition, that is true or false. So moving further, we will see the syntax of it. So it is very easy that if in bracket the condition, below it we have to write the true statement, using semicolon we have to end the statement, then next else part. Moving further, we have to write the false statement and end this using semicolon. In the first this, we have to not write the semicolon at the end, and also at the end of else we don't have to write the semicolon. So moving further, we are going to see some programs related to this. We will get a clear idea by help of the examples. So let's start that. So we are going to see the first example of if-else condition. So let's start. So first we have declared the header file, that is #include stdio.h, that is standard input output. So we are writing now the function, that is void main. We are writing our whole program in the void main. So our data type is int type. We are declaring a variable, that is n. Now we are using clear screen for getting our screen clear. Now we are using the function printf, so we can display our requirements, that is enter a number to check even or odd. Then we are declaring scanf to get an input, that is %d, as our data type is int type, and address of n. So the main part is here, that is if condition. How to use that? So if in semicolon condition, that is n modulus of 2 when equal to 0, then we can say that a number is even number, and this is the true statement or the true part, and else we can say that the number is odd number. Lastly we are putting get ch to hold our output. So now let's compile it. No error. Okay, we will check the program. So 2, of course 2 is an even number. Now we will check for 3 or 5 odd number. Okay, so moving to the next, we are going to see our next example, that is finding the maximum number from two inputted number. So let's begin. So we are declaring our data type, that is int, and we are taking two variables as we have to find max between two numbers. Now in the printf we are going to write a statement, that is enter two number to find max between them. Next we are going to do is this scanf. In this we are going to declare two int type, as we have to get two inputs. So we have to use n% of a comma n% of b in semicolon. Now we are going to use our if condition, that is if. Here we are going to take if A is greater than B, then printf A is greater than B, or else printf B is greater than A. Lastly, get ch to hold our screen. Now compiling, no error, okay. Then we will see A as 1, 2 as B, and we will get B is greater than A. One more time, 5 and 2. A is greater than B. Hope you understand this example. So now we are going to see our next program, that is to check the inputted number is positive or negative. So let's start. So we are taking data type as int type, integer, and we are taking variable n. Now we are printing the statement that enter a number to check it is positive or negative. In scanf we are taking %d as our type is int type and address of n. Now we are taking if statement, and in if statement the condition is if n is greater than 0, then printf enter number is positive, and else printf enter number is negative, and lastly get ch to hold our screen. Now we will compile, no error, okay. We will see the output. So we'll check enter number is positive. Now we will check of negative number. Enter number is negative number. Also we can check the inputted number is positive, negative or 0. We will see it in the next topic, that is in if else nesting. Our next example is to check the inputted number is binary or not. So let's start this. So we are declaring our data type, that is integer type. We are taking n as a variable. Then we are taking statement that enter number to check binary or not. So in scanner we are entering data of one integer, that is address of n. Moving to the next, in if condition we have to write that n equal to 0. Binary numbers are 0 and 1, so that's why when n is equals to 0, here we are using OR operator, which we have discussed in our previous lecture or previous video in condition operator. And n is equal to 1, then we have to print that enter number is binary, or else printf enter number is not binary. Lastly, get ch to hold the screen of compiling, no error. Okay, so we'll put 1. So 1 is a binary number, so check another one is not a binary number. Okay, so hope everybody understand this.